Welcome to DelftStack. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the chat room not connected error in Valorant using a few simple methods that usually solve the issue quickly. First, try restarting everything properly. Close Valorant completely, then go to the bottom right corner of your taskbar, right-click the Riot Client icon, and exit both Valorant and the Riot Client. After that, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Look for any running processes related to Valorant, Riot Client, or Riot Vanguard and click End Task for all of them. Once done, relaunch Valorant as an administrator and check if the chat service reconnects. If the problem still appears, reset your network and DNS settings. Press the Windows key, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. Next, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter again. These commands clear corrupted network cache files and reset important network settings that may block the game from connecting to Riot chat servers. Finally, restart your computer and open Valorant again. The chat room connection issue should now be fixed. Thanks for watching.